welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome, welcome, welcome to the family. But let's get some manners out the way first. Okay, you know I'm from this country. I'm an old country southern girl. Thank you for all your love and support to my channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Now, you know my last video, I came down with a little flare up in the middle of cooking. So Auntie had to take a step back, and it took a long time to complete that video. Okay, but that's all in the past. We're in the present today. And today I'm going to be making a favorite of mine, balsamic Brussels sprouts, balsamic roasted Brussels sprouts. And so we're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started so I can show you everything that you made. Not you make, well, you know you will be making it, but I'm talking about everything that you need to make it. So you can make it for your friends and your family. And like I always say, what? Keep it to yourself. Okay, so I'll be back. Give me a moment and we'll get started. No, you don't have time to go play Roblox, okay? Okay, you're going to need some nice fresh, no, first you need to preheat your oven to 400. So I already turned my oven on. And I got my favorite balsamic glaze, Calavita, product of Italy. Oh, I cannot wait until my European trip next year. Oh, I want to bring back so many good things from Europe. Oh, and it's all related to cooking. I tell you, I don't care nothing about shopping. I can shop at home. That's what they got the internet for. Okay, I got some Brussels sprouts. You know, these are pretty large. I got these from the farmer's market. Take that little black leaf off right there. And I soaked them in a little baking soda water because I had to wash them with that, get those impurities off of there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this little thingy off here. And I'm going to slice them in half. I bought me some new pair of knives. These things are sharp, you know. I didn't know they were sharp like that. You know, it's like working with jaws. So I'm going to cut them in half and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, now that Jaws and I have finished our relationship, we broke up. I'm drinking strawberries and cream coffee today. Okay, I'm going to put these back into the bowl and do a little housekeeping over there. And I'm going to put some salt on them. Yes, it's some pink salt. You know, one thing, guys, you know I like what, you know, guys, you know why I started my channel. It's very therapeutic for me. It helps take my mind away from things that I'm going through. And that's why I love you all so much. But you know, one good thing I love it to see, because I have other cooks that I follow too, is when I see my gadgets that I use in my channel, when I see that they go and buy them and it helps them in the kitchen. I really love it when I see that, because things that I use, and I see that they have found them on Amazon, and they use them too, because if they ask me, where did you get that? I don't care about sharing where I got things, because when they made that one thing, they made a million more. So that has never bothered me. It's like shoes. If I have on a pair of shoes and someone said, oh, I love your shoes, where did you get them? I tell them, because I'm not the only one in the world. Okay, so I have my Brussels sprouts. Now let me go get me some salt. Not salt, black pepper, my garlic powder. My black pepper, my garlic powder. Okay, I got my black pepper. Little black pepper. You know, we are pepper girls. Little garlic powder. Ooh, we're a little too heavy on that. Give me a glove. And I've got my oven. Oh, it's at 400. Did it beep? Oh, Lord, I can't turn the stove on. Oh, guys, look at my new toy. You see my new toy? I have my cutting board now that covers my whole stove top. I'm so happy. I'm like a kid with a new toy. Brain fog. Olive oil. Give me a little. I got to fill my sprayer back up. I got this off Temu. I love it. Need to go get me another one. Okay, put on my glove and I can toss this around. And it's okay if they come apart. You put those leaves, if these leaves come off, you put them things right back in here. Put a little more olive oil. This is light olive oil, guys. You probably can see by the color. It's like Earth's Virgin. Oh, I cannot wait, because that's one thing I want from Italy. I want those olive oils. I want those olive oils. Yes, I do. Now, with your Brussels sprout, get your parchment paper. Throw that little leaf off of there. Parchment paper. And what you want to do, you want to put your Brussels sprouts, inside, put that down. Because what you want to get your char, which is another word, aka flavor. It's flavor. So you want to put that down first. Because you want your char to be on that side first, okay? And we're going to put these down, and I'll be right back. I'm put a little black pepper on top, because I told y'all we are pepper girls. Little black pepper on top. And I did spray them with a little spritz of the olive oil. Now these are going to go into the, oh my, I'm sorry guys. These are going to go into the oven for 15 minutes on 400, and then I'm going to bring them out and turn them over, and then I'll show you what the next step is, because you're going to have to turn your oven down to 350 for the last 15 minutes on the other side. Okay, hold on. Okay, you see them? Look how pretty they are. Look how pretty. So I'm going to turn them over. These aren't quite as good char on that side. So, whoo. The one that are really soft. Really soft. That's how I test them. Take my tongs and I squeeze them. And this is a very healthy vegetable. Brussels sprouts. And you know, they're good in the salad. And they don't have to be like super soft. And I know if they're not super soft, I won't eat them. I can't eat them. So what I'm going to do now is take these. And I'm done with my oven for now. And I'm going to put these in a handy dandy bowl. My cousin gave me this bowl. Isn't it? I like that bowl. It has lemons. It's so nice and cheery. And I have on my lavender today, because lavender, I love the scent of lavender because it's so relaxing. And I love the flower lavender. Well, I love anything lavender. I'm just rambling. I'm just well, you know what I'm talking about. I'm just rambling. So I'm going to put these in the bowl, and then the leaves fall off. That's just goodness. Just added goodness. And I'm just going to toss these right on in this bowl. Oh, I love the smell of them. A lot of people don't like Brussels sprouts. You know, I have a friend, and she did not eat Brussels sprouts before I cooked them in a garlic butter sauce. And she said, I never ate them. Then she tried them the way I cooked them. Then she liked them. Well, she liked them that way. I don't know about any other way that she would eat them. Okay, a little housekeeping over there. And so now I'm gonna put some glaze over them. Now there's no measurement on how much glaze you like. You can use a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup. This is about a 1/4 cup, because you don't want them overly sweet, because you still want to taste your vegetable. Hold on. Yeah, you still want to be able to taste your vegetables. So you don't want a whole lot of glaze on your Brussels sprout, unless you really because this is a sweet glaze, okay? So, you know, if you want a flavored glaze, like, I like fruit infused glaze. Like I have, this is a pear. I'll use a pear. And I have a raspberry, a fig, and a pomegranate. So Kaylin doesn't care for any of those. So sometimes I'll scoop me some out, and I'll put a little bit of one of my fruit infused glaze on here. Give me my personal added flavor. So I'm going to put these on the plate, and I'm going to show you. And here they are. Here are our balsamic glazed roasted Brussels sprouts. And they are really good. I've already eaten 2. Sorry, couldn't wait. I was bad. Okay, they are really delicious. They're healthy, diabetic friendly. So they're not going to affect my blood sugar, okay? I know I eat them a lot, okay? Because I eat a lot of different vegetables as long as they're cooked soft, okay? All right, thank you guys for watching me do that video. I'm quite sure you'll like that. If you like Brussels sprouts, you'll love that version. And like I said, you try them that way. And if you don't like Brussels sprouts and you want to try them that way first. And you know, who knows? You may grow to love them, all right? And you never know. Add a little sweetness to it. You know, kids may start eating them. You never know. Okay, so thank you all for your love and support to my channel. Hearts, tight hugs, and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Go be you, but be great. Go be you, but be great being you. I will talk to you later. Bye.